How to pick an ancient Yale lock. This is a very old lock. It's made in the United States, Yale. Probably hasn't been opened in 100 years. I went through my tryout keys for Yale. These are all Yale keys. And I found 2 keys that would fit the keyway. So this is a warded lock. Keys are cut straight, and they pass through pieces of metal. If you don't have the holes in the keys in the right place, it's blocked and it won't work. So these keys will not work. Of all my keys, I only had these 2 that were warded. It's like a half ward. Modern day keys, they have cuts on both sides and wards on both sides of the key. And this only has one. It's sort of a in between warded and pinned. Kind of an interesting lock. And so I could cut these keys down and make a pick out of it, and then they would work in there. What I had to do is go to my warded lock key picks. These are all key picks for warded locks. And a lot of them are actually Yale locks, but very few fit into that keyway. So I went to, this is a set of warded lock picks. And when I got to this one, it worked. Nothing to it. So rather than I want to make 2 keys, I can adjust those keys so they fit this lock. There we go. Peace. Don't break the lock.